Would you believe that there is a gentle, easy, and safe way to detoxify the body without much fuss? You can do it even in the comfort of your own home. It's called ion cleansing, and be amazed at what can come out of you. Relax. Cleanse. Nourish. Such is the versatility of water. And today, we discover yet another ingenious way of using water. Water has been known universally as the elixir of life, if taken internally. But what of ancient practices using water as therapy, as regimen, as medicine? Today, there is a new innovation, a new product that's designed to detoxify the body using the power of water. Hi, Dr. Babes.
Hi.
How does this work? This is new. This is exciting.
Yeah, this device actually is we call it NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse, meaning to say you're cleansing the body through ions. So
Okay.
this is an elegant and a modern detoxification device that is inspired from two Nobel Prize winning concepts in biochemistry, which were awarded in 2003.
Okay, so how does the ion work? I mean, you say ions, so how do ions work? How do they detoxify the body?
So this its mechanism was based on a scientific breakthrough technology using a modern science and electropuncture mechanism.
Okay, so how does that work? It's just water, and you put your 2 feet in the water, put a little salt, and then what does this little contraption do, this one?
So that array will break the molecular, the water molecules into a hydrogen and a hydroxyl ions.
Okay, and then what happens?
And then hydrogen is the positive ions, and the hydroxyl ion is the negatively charged ion.
Okay.
So this negatively charged ion, we use the lukewarm water to open the pores of the feet. Each foot has more than 2,000 pores.
Oh, we didn't know that.
Yes.
Okay. The NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse is based on 2 Nobel Prize winning researches. Tell us more about the very foundation of this regimen. Who discovered it? And what kind of principle does it operate from?
Yeah, as I have said, no, this tool was based on the 2 Nobel Prize winning concept. No? And it is the mechanism was based on the scientific breakthrough technology, making use of a modern science and electropuncture mechanisms. And it is also based on the Japanese therapeutic practice on soaking your feet on the clean shore, allowing the seawater to touch your feet.
Everyone does that, right? When you go to the beach, you stand by the shore.
Yes.
I do that all the time.
Yes.
But that really makes sense.
Yes.
Because it has a detoxifying effect on the body,
Yes.
right? And then the names of these 2 Nobel
Right.
winners is?
Dr. Peter Adler
Yes.
and Dr. Robert McQueen. These are the 2 doctors who discovered the 2 channels.
The discovery of so-called water channels and the studies on the mechanisms of ion channels form the basis of NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse technology. It makes it a potent catalyst of detoxification, which, its makers claim, is not to be confused with ordinary electrolysis machines. The proof, they say, is in the observable result. These include water discoloration, the appearance of particulates, and the development of odor, factors which differ from person to person. Furthermore, makers claim that water-based toxins do not stick to the side of the array and water basin, whereas substances pulled out from the body will form sticky residues that cling to the array and the basin. The changes in the water are also supposedly indicative of which organs the toxins come from. Why is the color changing? The water is changing now.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of like sediment rising.
That
That's cholesterol?
sediments that you will see there.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the toxins that comes from the body. Actually,
But it's yellow.
yeah, it's yellow.
So it's coming from what organ?
Actually, it's orange eh.
Orange?
It's becoming orange.
Okay.
Yeah, yellow.
For what organ is that?
Joints.
Her joints?
Yeah.
What do different colors correspond to different organs of the body? Am I correct?
Yes.
So what colors are we expected to
Like for
see?
example, in this case, no, it's becoming orange. So meaning to say the toxins is coming from the joints.
Uh-huh.
And then if you can see green, dark green from the gallbladder. And if it is from the liver, it will be black and brown.
Many of those who tried it claim to have experienced improvements in their condition.
We have a very good experience, especially with my wife, no, Lilibet Salakop. So she was having some pain on the right upper abdomen, and then of course we were already using the detoxification machine. And then yung dominant color na nakikita namin is yung dark green. Based on the studies and the research, pag dark green siya, most likely ang concentration ng toxins is basically sa gallbladder. So we went to the laboratory center at nagpa-ultrasound siya. Ang kagandaan nun, nag-clear yung kanyang gallbladder. And then when we did the detoxification ulit, wala na kami nakitang dark green. So, although wala pa naman kami basis na sabihin na meron siyang problem sa gallbladder, pero yung symptoms siya, nahihirapan siyang pagbusog siya, nasusuka siya, basically those are symptoms sa gallbladder eh. So we were trying to have that checked, and then nakita doon, sabi niya no problem, the gallbladder is very clean.